Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the vacuum bag on your Dreame. This is the L10s Pro Ultra Heat. If you're interested in this vacuum or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. So first things first, we have to remove this cover that you see right here. It's their auto empty dust collection cover. Even got that branded right there on the side. That's going to reveal where the vacuum bag is currently housed. And it's as simple as grabbing and pulling to remove. So, discard your old vacuum bag, go ahead, grab a new one, and then line it up and slot it right back in. That's it. Pull out the old one, line up, and slide back in. Take the cover, put it back on, and you're all set and ready to go. It's that simple.